only, well, a couple of reasons, but major reason is that we are a Christian nation. Our preamble of the Constitution states that we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of the Almighty God. And when we talk about imploring the aid of the Almighty God, let's find out, who are we talking about? Whose God are we talking about? The God who says, when we are joined together, let no man put asunder. But we are also saying that God should not be placed in a box. That if a relationship is not working, at magiging violente lang ang isa't isa, maapekto lang at masisira lang ang isang pamilya, then dapat yung annulment ay pumasok into the picture. Ang problema ko kasi sa ating bansa ngayon, madali for rich people na magpa-annul ng kanilang kasal. Pero sa mga mahihirap, nuknukan ng tagal, nuknukan ng mahal, at nagiging anti-poor itong annulment provision ng ating batas. So, ang sinasabi nga po natin, gawin natin itong pantay.